Today, I'm diving into the nitty-gritty of trucking costs, and I challenge you to calculate your cost per mile. As a truck driver or fleet owner, understanding your cost per mile is crucial for managing your finances effectively. It's not just about fuel. There are many factors that contribute to your overall expenses. Knowing these costs can help you make informed decisions about your business. One of the biggest challenges in determining your cost per mile is dealing with fluctuating fuel prices. Truck stops seem to pop up everywhere, but the prices vary greatly. Another challenge is maintenance. You never know when your truck will need unscheduled repairs. And let's not forget about overhead costs like insurance and permits. All these variables make it tough to pinpoint an exact cost per mile. Insurance is a significant expense covering everything from liability to cargo. Maintenance costs can be unpredictable, but regular checks can help prevent major issues. Permits and licenses are necessary for operating legally, adding to your overall expenses. Driver wages, whether you're paying yourself or your team, also play a huge role in your overall cost per mile. To calculate your cost per mile, you need to consider several key components. Fuel costs, for instance, can be calculated by dividing your total fuel expenses by the number of miles driven. Insurance costs can be spread out over the miles as well. Maintenance, whether routine or unexpected, should be averaged out. And driver wages, of course, are a direct cost that impacts your bottom line. The formula to calculate your cost per mile is relatively simple. Add up all your expenses for a certain period, then divide by the total miles driven during that time. This gives you a per mile cost that can help guide your financial decisions. A spreadsheet or a simple calculator can help you keep track of these numbers. Let's say your monthly expenses are $15,000 and you drive 10,000 miles in that month. Your cost per mile would be $1.50. This number can help you set your rates or evaluate your business's performance. Understanding your cost per mile can make a huge difference in your financial management. By breaking down your expenses and using a simple formula, you can get a clear picture of where your money is going. If you're struggling to calculate your costs or have questions about specific expenses, I'd love to hear about it. Your experiences can help others in this community, and I'm here to offer more insights in my other videos. Check them out and let's keep the conversation going. As always, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. Hard times don't last, hard truckers do. And last but not least, stay smooth, my friends.